Ideologies and social control. Overview. It is a set of conscious and unconscious ideas that constitute one's goals, expectations and actions. An ideology is a set of opinions or beliefs of a group or an individual. Very often, ideology refers to a set of political beliefs or a set of ideas that characterize a particular culture, a system of ideas and ideals, especially one which forms the basis of economic or political theory and policy. Can you define ideology? First, ideology is a body of ideas concerning economic, social, political values and goals which postulate action programs for attaining these goals. Second definition. Ideology is a cluster of ideas about life, society or government, which originates in most cases as consciously advocated, dogmatically asserted, social, political, religious slogans or battle cries, and which through continuous usage and preaching gradually become the characteristic belief of a particular group, party or nationality. Types of ideologies. First, ideology of status quo. Second, ideology of imperialism. Third, ambiguous ideologies or ideologies of anti-imperialism. Four, ideology of human rights. Five, other ideologies. 1. Ideology of status quo. Nations seeking the preservation of the existing power position pursue the policy of status quo. The principle that guides the outlook in this respect: what exists must have something in its favor, otherwise it would not exist. Second, ideology of imperialism. A policy that seeks to alter the status quo or a given power distribution is regarded as imperialist polity or policy. The policy of imperialism is always in need of some justification for altering the existing traditional arrangements. 3. Ambiguous ideologies or the ideologies of anti-imperialism. For securing their desired goals, many nations use such particular ideologies as are quite vague and ambiguous, but these carry an appeal to the heart and head and thus help them to secure their desired objectives. In international relations. 4. Ideology of human rights. Currently, several nations, particularly the USA and European states, have been using the ideology of human rights for criticizing the policies of other nations as well as for influencing other nations in favor of their policies. Five other ideologies. The ideology of national self-determination and freedom fight for justifying. Role of ideologies. First role, the role of general ideologies as an elements of states behavior, and second, the role of particular ideologies in foreign policy making and implementation. 3. Control the society. In conclusion, hence ideologies has been control the society systematically. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.